Potatoes are taking notoriously long to bake in the oven. Even with an average-sized potato, you are looking for more than an hour of cooking time. So if you don't have time or patience to wait, should you just give up on the idea? What would happen if you would take a spud or two, give them a quick wash, poke a few holes in them, and just pop them in the air fryer instead? So let's see what happens. Take an air fryer basket and put the potatoes in there. 3 potatoes would probably be all you can bake, as the air fryer needs space in the basket for the hot air to circulate freely so it would cook properly. Now, put the basket along with the potatoes in the air fryer and bake them at 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Once the baking is complete, remove the basket from the air fryer and let's see what we got. The potatoes certainly do smell nice. Going by the slightly crispy, wrinkly, and papery skin, the potatoes should be cooked all the way through now. Although I can feel a little resistance when cutting into them, they are certainly cooked throughout and absolutely perfect for my taste. If you are someone who prefers their baked potato super soft inside, then add an extra 5 to 10 minutes to the baking time. If that is too long for you, check out my latest post for 10 other ways how you can bake potatoes even faster. I have left the link in the description below this video. Check it out now.